Welcome back, Trophy Gamers. Okay, so I bought 6 packs of Battle Packs 2 War of the Giants. Each one came with 2, and I'm going to open these up for you and show you what I get. So let's get started. Haven't actually opened a pack of cards in a long ass time. Okay, so Fighting Spirit, Threatening Roar, Card D, Zombra the Dark, and Autonomous Action Unit. Okay, take it that's the rare card out of the set. On to pack 2, shall we? Alright, Gravity Axe, Go Golem, Carbons, Doom Caliber Knot, and Time Machine. Wow. Aha! I succeeded with Fumant of Dare to Dream. Okay, Mask of Weakness, Ominous Action Unit, Saber Valley, Botanical Lion, and Spell Striker. Okay, Power Frame, Pitch Black Werewolf, Dark Valkyrie, Toon Gemini Elf, and Reasoning. Another Gravity Axe, Crebons, another Dark Valkyrie, Mythical Beast, Cerberus, and a Amaryllis. Alright, on to the next pack. Rush Recklessly, Nightmare Steel Cage. Ooh, Dark Magician of Chaos. Zubanat, and some other thing I don't really want to read. I haven't bought Yu-Gi-Oh cards in years, so I really don't know much about a lot of these newer ones. Okay. Half counter. Interesting. Ooh, Scapegoat. Cute. I remember Joey on the show used that one. Card games on motorcycles. I had to say it, I'm sorry. Well, give me a sec here, this one's being kind of tricky. Okay. Big Bang Shot, Needle Sunfish, Dark Lord Desire. Whoa, that thing looks cool. Miracle Wake. Alright, let's get to the next pack, shall we? Okay, Nightmare Steel Cage, Goblin Attack Force, Premature Burial, Samurai of the Ice Barrier, and Twin-Headed Behemoth. I remember a couple of those cards from when I used to play with these. Alright. Well, that certainly was awesome. We have Miniaturize, Chiron the Mage, Card D, Kaku the Ghost Destroyer, and Star Blast. Oh god, wobbly video. Okay. Shattered Axe, Dandelion, Whatnot Dragon, that's cool looking, Zolga, and Dragon Ass. And now on to the last pack. Let's hope we get something good. Well, I don't think I've ever had so much trouble getting into... Oh, there we go. Okay. Wisdom of some word. Valon Prism. Neat. Magician of Faith. Shocktopus. And Blockman. That's pretty freaking awesome. It's like a Lego character. Alright, well, that was the opening of some of these War of Giants cards. So, I hope you all enjoyed. Here are some of the rares I got. I'm going to make a couple more videos like this, opening some random Yu-Gi-Oh stuff. So, hope you enjoy. Be sure to subscribe.